Students, welcome to third standard science class video session, the story of cooking food. In today's session, we are going to learn about different methods of cooking. We are going to learn boiling, steaming, roasting, baking and frying methods. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 7, the story of cooking food, topic different ways or methods of cooking food. Children, look at the menu card given here. Here there are various food items like idli, dosa, meduvadai, puri masal, idiyappam, pongal, coffee and badam milk. Do you think all these items are cooked in the same way or methods? The answer is no. They need different methods to be cooked. Now let us learn different methods of cooking. First we are going to learn about boiling method. Boiling is the method of cooking food in water. No oil is used in boiling. We cook rice, dal, rajma and channa by boiling. Some vegetables, meat and eggs can also be boiled. So, boiling is a method of cooking food by immersing it in boiled water so that the food becomes soft. Next, we are going to learn the method steaming. Steaming is the method of cooking food in steam. We cook idlis, dokla, appam and some vegetables by steaming method. Food gets cooked faster and nutrients in the food are not lost in this method. No oil is used in this method of cooking. So, steaming is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiling water. Examples: idli, idiyappam, puttu. Next, we are going to learn about roasting. Roasting is a method in which raw food is cooked directly on low fire or heat. It is one of the oldest way of cooking known to man. We roast peanuts, corn, gram, vegetables, chicken and mutton. This is a healthy form of cooking since very little or sometimes no oil is used in this method. So, roasting is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying pan without covering it. Baking is a method of cooking. We use dry heat to bake bread, biscuits and cakes. This method of cooking uses an oven, tandoor or griddle tawa. Chapatis are made by baking. We also bake cakes, bread and biscuits in an oven. Some vegetables and meat can also be cooked by this method. Now we are going to learn about frying. Frying is the method in which food is cooked in hot oil. We cook buri, samosas, jalebi by frying. It makes the food crispy and tasty. We should not eat too much of fried food as it is not good for health. So, frying is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Examples: chips, puri. Many of the food items can be cooked in more than one way. For example, Parotas and meat can be fried, baked, roasted or boiled. Each method gives the food a different taste. Now let us learn about what is the benefits of cooking. Cooked food is digested easily. Cooking softens the food material. Cooking also kills germs. Cooking adds taste and flavor to the food. So there are very many methods of cooking. Various methods use different level of heat and moisture and vary in cooking time. Do you know, children, what is the best method of cooking food? Steaming, and boiling. Moist heat cooking method such as boiling and steaming are the healthiest ways to prepare meats and produce because they are done at lower temperature. So different food items to be cooked in. I hope you got clear information about different methods of cooking. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.